So we need gas, but I don't know how long we can go without gas. Should we risk it with the biscuit and just go for it? I don't know. These boots, man, I can't shift down correctly. And yeah, I used to do it, but times have changed. But at least we got a quick shifter, right? That means something. Hopefully very soon we'll have the auto blipper too, because it is not fun. I'm not used to it anymore. I'm just not used to it. I think we're gonna go on it. A little bit of gun in it. 100. I don't know, I'm tired, my voice hurts, but I want to ride more because I miss her, man. I've missed her. I've missed her body. I've missed everything. I missed it all. Yeah, get back, get back, get back! Thinking you can go? Saw that? She's climbing up. That wasn't even full throttle because I keep forgetting that if I'm doing full throttle, I can't start off like that. I have to start off like that so I can pull it all the way. Front end is coming up. But there's a car there. How long has it been, huh? How long has it been since we've been here? What is up, everybody? This is Riding Insane. And this is the beautiful Kakarot, aka Megan. When she's gold, she's Kakarot. When we take the wrap off and she's all natural gray, matte, beautiful finish, she's Megan. She's still always Megan from the inside. From the outside, she's Kakarot. She's a Super Saiyan because she's gold chrome, man. I don't know. I'm excited. I've been running for a very long time, and I love this. If you guys don't know something about me, if you've been watching the channel for a very long time, then you guys already know. I love overpasses. I seriously love overpasses. I love coming here and just watching people go around. I think it's a lot of fun. So I haven't done this in a long time because the bike hasn't been with us for a very long time because it's been, you know, it was kidnapped. It wasn't kidnapped. It was getting surgery done, or it was at a training camp. Let's say that it was at a training camp, and it came back with some new things, some things she just learned. We got the toast exhaust on it, so we got the frame sliders. We got a bolt missing, and if you guys look closely, we got a beautiful, beautiful seat, OEM fixed. If you guys remember the old seat, what the problem was that I fixed it, but I didn't have a staple gun enough to put the seat back, but metric method was nice enough to staple the seat back. So now the seat is fixed, but we're still gonna get a custom one done with like foam and gel and all that good stuff. And she's screaming, and I don't want her to scream, but I want to show you guys the Moto Dynamic headlights that we're still rocking them. We're still rocking them, and they're amazing. Look at that, man. Look at that. But there she is, man. There she is. We got a really messed up gold wrap, but we're gonna fix that. We got Moto Dynamic headlights. We got ASV levers that are gonna be switching out. We got bar ends that need to be fixed. Look at this bar end. Look at this bar end. They're both different. This is Woodcraft. That one's OEM. We gotta get good bar ends. We're gonna replace the grips. We gotta replace this little housing. Get the cool M&M thing. We got the Rizoma tanks, courtesy of Motivation, who we're gonna be working with more. It's just because the cash flow, coronavirus, stuff like that. everything's been a little tight for a bit. We got the quick shifter module in there. We're gonna get an auto blipper done. See right there, it says Buzzazz. I wish they put it the other way, so whenever you look at it from here, it says it, because right now it's upside down. Rear assist, we gotta get these fixed, because apparently riding Broly and Nimbus, I'm used to a certain style, and this just isn't cutting it. This is too high. It needs to be lower. It needs to be lower. And to be honest, this bike feels so small when I'm riding it compared to the other ones. It feels like a little baby toy, but I love her. I love her more than anything. We got a moto dynamic headlight module upgrade we're gonna put in here, or headlight upgrade. I'm gonna make a build series video on that one. That's gonna be amazing. We got frame sliders that we need to clean. We need to clean this entire bike. We got to get that toe slip on off, and we got to get a full system. This Rizoma thing we got for motivation as well. We got to cut this little part off, because remember I said that? Now I bought the tool, so now we can actually do that. We got to get look at this rear spool. Look at this rear spool. So we got to get another one of these. This is from Abbastan's. So we're gonna swap it and get the same one on this side, because I love it. I love it. It's amazing. We got to get those reflectors off of here. AC lever's gonna get swapped out. Triple Chi's gonna come off, get swapped out. Key's gonna get swapped out. I can't remember everything. Mirrors are gonna be gone. We're gonna get bar and mirrors. We gotta change the color of this. We gotta change the seat. We gotta get a rear pillion seat, the plastic one. Wrap it. I don't know. There's just so many things that we gotta do. It looks amazing, doesn't it? We got a cleaner. We got an exhaust wrapper. We gotta do so much, man. The rear passenger pegs. Either I'm gonna remove these or I'm gonna paint them. I'm gonna do something. I haven't decided, but either I'm gonna remove or I'm gonna paint them. We got bolts missing. This fairing is broke on both sides. I'm not sure who did it, but I'm not worried about it. It's just a small thing. We got bolts missing on both sides of the tank. We can smooth the tank really easily. Only one bolt is holding it down, so we got to get new bolts. The ram mount, that is no longer going to be used. I'm not using phone mounts anymore. I'm not happy with the look. It just doesn't look like how I want it to look. It doesn't give a good look on the bike. We'll get some carbon on here, covers to seal up the heat. We'll get a rapid bike or an ECU flash. There's just so much left on this build, and about, I want to say 10 grand worth of upgrades. You got to clean the wheels, get them repainted. Got to get tire stickers. Have to get rim stickers. There's just a lot of things that are going to be going down. So the build series isn't stopping. The build series is just going on hold until we have the right cash flow and virus. And a lot of companies, they don't have a lot of products that I want. But the main big reason is just the virus and like the cash flow. It's not the best. We're not the biggest channel that we can get free parts. So hope you guys enjoying this. We're out here. That's an Aston Martin passing through. Look at all these, man. Look at all these. I don't know, I just love coming to overpasses. There are not that many of them here in Mexico. There was a lot of them in Texas. Texas is known for highways, which I'm happy that I don't want to live in a city or a state or whatever that's known for highways. I like how Mexico has all these different streets, roads, and the way it's created. I love it. But one thing I do miss is the overpasses. But there's one right here, so I just need one. I don't need multiple. I just need one, and one is just perfect because this is secluded. There's nobody ever here on these overpasses. Only cars passing by, cyclists, and then people go over there to do donuts and stuff. And if you look on the ground, you can see all those marks. People do donuts all over here at night. Hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna ride back. Baby Keka right here is low on gas, so I don't know how much of that. I don't know how long. I don't know her as well as I used to, so I don't know how long I can ride it with her, you know, still going strong and not leaving me stranded. What we're gonna do is just ride a little heavy, maybe a little bit. All right, not a lot, but just ride her just a little heavy, and we're just gonna head back then. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for the support. Keep watching the videos. If you enjoy them, share them. If not, I don't care. Just have fun, enjoy life, and stay safe out there. And my beard is going into my mouth, and it's just a big mess. Anyways, this is Riding Insane. Remember to subscribe only because I love you. And I'm out. I'm seriously, I'm out. I might share with you guys a little bit extra footage if you guys want to stick around after this to watch some actually, you know what, stick around, wait. Yeah, see, stick around for something and you get something out of it. For those who didn't stick around, they didn't get nothing out of it. Imagine when we get that full exhaust. Just imagine. Dragon Ball! That was a big bump. I actually got off the seat a little bit. Oh god, that was a big bump. Let me just get reacquainted with my body. careful because we're not running out of gas, man. Broly's at her limit. She needs that protein shake, man. We're in the anabolic window already. Ooh, pay attention, homie. Talking to myself. Green means go, homies. Prius. It's always a Prius. Always a Prius. See these boots, man. I pressed down, but it was already down. It didn't click back. The shifter didn't come all the way back up, so I couldn't shift down. These boots. It's not these boots. It's these rear sets, actually. Did they fall down? She okay? Yeah, she fell down. She fell down. Hope she's okay. I gotta bring my boot like that and then go, like make that little dip. And I don't like making that little dip. Cause I don't have to do that on any other bike besides her. Besides her. Besides her. Besides her.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show